Hello everyone, welcome back. This is just a quick follow-up video to the Repurpose IO video. I felt bad I couldn't showcase and show you the feature, but this is kind of what it looks like. So as you can see, I've already went through my footage and turned my long-form content into shorts. So if you're coming in here from my shorts, you'll see this right here. And what you're going to want to do, if you saw my video on how to create a workflow, as you can see, I got my YouTube channel to YouTube and shorts, right? So to YouTube for YouTube shorts, so YouTube to YouTube. And what you're going to want to do is you can hit auto publish if you want. When you first come here, you're going to want to go to the gear icon settings, because by default, it's going to be on original video. So you'll be wanting, so what it's going to do is going to be making your, you'll make the clip from your long form video and it'll just make a shorter long form video. You might want this if you're like if you have like a gaming video that's like a hour, 2 hours long, or if you got a podcasting style channel or just very long videos, like 1 to 2 hours, usually like video games and podcasts I can think of. But excuse me. So instead of original video, which will be on default, you're gonna want to come down here to vertical video, and it'll be IGTV, IG stories, Facebook stories, but most of all, it'll be YouTube shorts, right? And then squares more for the Instagram feed, the IG feed, the Facebook, Twitter, Blue Sky, LinkedIn, etc. Right? So you can put your heading here. You'll just do a video about that. So the sample title. So yeah, you're just gonna click that and save. You can make all your clips and you can do auto publish. I scheduled everything manually. So as you can see, I'm turning this 2-hour video into a bite-sized shorts to show up on the shorts feed. And why do we want shorts? Well, we want shorts so people can get a preview of our long form video, right? And what you're going to want to do, you're going to come down here, click the related video, and then you're going to want to go to click your long form video. And then when people watch the short, they'll be recommended video. They click that, they automatically go to they automatically go to your long form video here. So this is where you want to go to. So that's that one. So that's why you want this. But again, if you're consistently having 2 to 4, 5-hour videos because you are maybe into a podcasting or just talk niche, or you are a video gamer and you got like video game play like videos that go from 2 to 5 hours, this would be a good tool to put them into long form. But again, 3 minutes max, unfortunately. So not as sophisticated as other softwares that will break up your long form video. And that'll break up your long form video and put it in a short. So what we want to do, and I'll show you how we do this. So we go here, create snippets or create clips. We don't need to hear myself. So we got new titles, so we can do what is Repurpose IO, and I can just put that, right? So it goes from 0 to 0, and you're gonna have to timestamp basically. So let's say if I want 2:55, I go here, 2:55, bam, done. And don't hit save yet, because you're gonna want to make another clip, right? So yeah, so I would just keep doing the same thing. Well, what I can do, right, is I can get this, or actually I could just go here. There's another trick to get timestamps, easy timestamps for yourself. So you just go here and we go to Tube Magic. I overlooked this tool in my demonstration because I forgot about it. I don't use this too often. So we go here, we punch in our URL, we click timestamps, we toggle this on, And we can set the words, but I don't really do that. I just kind of like just let it go, and we'll see it generate not only the video description, which we've seen in the warp upload in my YouTube demonstration, my tutorial demonstration, but now it's generated timestamp. So all you gotta do is just copy this and paste it into here. But I manually did mine because, yeah, I wanted to do that. So now that I got that, because I didn't want to put this section here. So I could do interface tour 338. So 3 and then 38, and then I hit accept. And then this ends at like what? 339. 3 and then 39. No, wait, that's not right. What am I doing? Oh yeah, yeah. Oh wait, no, that's the intro. Never mind. I'm silly. I meant to go this chapter right here. So this would be at like 338, and then it would end at. It's late, so I'm not like fully here at 5:58. Okay, my dum-dum's kind of like my brain's just kind of tired. Just been doing a bunch of stuff all day, video editing, iteration. So see, now we got 3 to 5, and it'll say here the duration of this video is 220. So all I got. So let's say Repurpose IO interface. Or so I'll just show everyone what it looks like. Okay, now we go back here. Now this starts here. How to create a workflow. So 557. So we'll hit 557. And for duration, again, it lets you only do 3 minutes. However, if it's exactly 3 minutes, it'll throw a fit and be like, oh, hey, please do not make it exceed 3 minutes. So what we got to do is we got to go 179. Oops. 179. Now it doesn't throw a fit. So 2 minutes and 59 seconds is your max, unfortunately. At exactly 3 minutes, it throws a fit. And it's like, oh, it's too long. Oh, whatever. So well, we're at what? 8:56. Workflows. I mean, I could cut this a little shorter, so I'll just show you what it looks like. So you got your work. Yeah, so this is just, I will probably go back and rework this, but let's say if I wanted to, if I'm done, right, I just hit save, and there they are. And all you gotta do is just click schedule, and you can connect your YouTube connection. So if you want to put the first comment like a pin with a message, you can do that here. Yeah, these are just some of the tags that I use. I probably do got to edit them for this particular one. But I'll get around to it. Oh, yeah, I'll just get around with it. I'll get around to it. So yeah, you just hit schedule here. You would select the date. Let's say if I want to do on the 5th, I could just hit here, and I can select any time. Let's say if I want to do at 12, I could do AM or PM or 7 in the evening, like pretty much now. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. Just a quick follow up on how you use the clips feature. And as you can see, I've already done my workflows, so you'll see them coming out. I want them in the shorts feed because I want a lot of people are in the shorts feed, and I want to direct traffic. Use it to direct traffic to my long form videos. And yeah, and then I also have a workflow set up so I can just send them to my Pinterest as well. And Pinterest has like, let's see, create link. There you go. So there's a little section on Pinterest that says visit site, and it'll automatically take them to my video. And I have a workflow set up that shows what do you call it? That shows like, oh man, I can't speak today. I'm tired. Long day, guys. So anything that's future content, like future posted content, it's automatically going to post it to Pinterest because I've already I don't have any existing content. So anything that's new, it's going to automatically upload to my Pinterest account. So it's automatically going to go here. So even these that are going primarily to YouTube, they're automatically uploading to Pinterest via the workflow system that they have set up. So yeah, that's a neat little trick you can do just to mass distribute your content and get a wider audience. I'm still waiting for them to add Rumble as a connection. That would be very, very helpful. But yeah, this is just how it looks now. So yeah, again, comment, like, subscribe to the account as a viewer. If you want to try this tool out, check the affiliate link in the description. It doesn't cost you anything, just make a small commission. And most of all, thank you everyone for visiting and stopping by and for your support. And I'll see you in the next video that I'm currently working on. And laters.